Hi, I'm Stephanie Barrow. Welcome to my channel, Vandoodle Art. I'm a 70-plus-year-old artist happily creating in Portland, Oregon. Life hasn't been without its challenges in the last few years. I'm a cancer survivor. I have some other conditions that make it imperative that I keep walking and climbing steps and staying active. My personal mission in life is to choose joy whenever possible. I'm excited about being able to take you along on my adventures. Okay, good afternoon. It is Monday again. I seem to always start these videos on a Monday. I am going to mix up some very simple paint and then do some very simple pours using black, white, and one other color. So if you're wanting to pour paint but you're a little concerned about buying a whole bunch of paint and then not being sure if you're going to continue doing this, choose one of your favorite colors, get some black and white because you're always going to need those, and let me show you what we can do with just those three things. So this is an ultramarine blue and our white and the black. And I also have some other little cups here because out of these three colors, black and white and one other color, I can get some other colors by mixing and mixing my white with the color and with the black to get gray. So now I have a nice light blue, a dark ultramarine, and if we take a little bit of black and a little bit of white, we'll have gray. Now I am a person that generally likes every color under the sun, but it is kind of fun to see what you can do with a limited palette. You can carry this extension of colors from 3 colors to even more variations by putting some silicone or coconut oil in some and not others. But for now, we're just gonna go with this. We have a gray, we have a black, we have a white, we have a dark blue, and a light blue. And we're gonna do a landscape pour. Using just those colors. I make 3 cups. Hope you can see that. I think you can. One for the sky, one for the middle ground, and one for the foreground or the ocean or whatever you're going for. I probably will kind of go for a beach scene here because I have blues and I have limited colors. Maybe a little bit in the ocean and a little bit darker in the ocean. My white got a little gray in it by accident, but we're not going to worry about that. Maybe just a little bit of white in the ocean. And let's get a little contrast going for the middle ground here. So we're just going to use quite a bit of the black and quite a bit of the gray. And maybe a little bit of the white. And you'll get used to how much paint you need after a while, but I can kind of see that I'm not going to have enough if I don't add some here. So just to keep the difference between the sky and the beach, I'm gonna go pretty dark at the beach with a little bit of white highlights. We're not gonna put any black on the beach. I might as well use this up here. Dark blue. Yeah, if there was any there. Okay, that's probably gonna be enough. Let's even it out a little bit. Okay, make sure that you're in camera. You are. So, this is the sky. Pretty. This is the middle ground. And this is the ocean. I'm going to give us a little bit more white in the ocean before we start tilting. And now let's see what happens. This is where the magic starts to happen. You want to put enough paint on there that you get some good motion going. You can see I have a lot of bubbles because I just mixed this paint up. Oh, I'm already liking this a lot. And so I don't want to go too far because it's actually rather pretty already. But we're going to burst some bubbles. I think we're going to use a hairdryer to move the paint around a little bit.